For years, the mirrorless camera market has felt locked in a predictable loop. Sony, Canon, and Nikon release new bodies, promise better autofocus, slightly improved video specs, and refined sensors, but the overall experience rarely feels revolutionary. As creators, we've learned to expect evolution, not disruption. But heading into 2026, that comfortable routine may finally be coming to an end. A new name is stepping into the spotlight, and it's one nobody expected to see challenging the giants of photography so directly. DJI, a company best known for drones, gimbals, and creator-focused tech, is now rumored to be entering the mirrorless camera space. This isn't just another side experiment or niche product. According to the growing number of leaks, DJI is aiming straight at the heart of the professional hybrid market. For viewers here on Technify, this moment feels significant. DJI doesn't think like a traditional camera company, and that alone makes this upcoming mirrorless camera one of the most exciting leak stories we've seen in years. Let's dive into what's being rumored and why it could change everything. At the core of the DJI mirrorless leaks is a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, a resolution that feels deliberately chosen. It's high enough to satisfy commercial photographers, landscape shooters, and studio professionals, while still being perfectly suited for oversampled, ultra-sharp video. This balance suggests DJI isn't chasing spec sheet bragging rights. It's targeting real-world hybrid creators who shoot both photo and video professionally. One of DJI's smartest rumored moves is joining the L-mount alliance. This instantly removes the biggest risk of any new camera system: limited lens options. From day one, users could mount Leica's premium optics, Sigma's clinically sharp art lenses, and Panasonic's proven zooms. Instead of forcing creators to wait years for native lenses, DJI would be launching with one of the strongest lens ecosystems already available. Physically, the camera is said to ditch traditional DSLR-style ergonomics in favor of a compact magnesium alloy box design. This isn't about looks, it's about performance. DJI reportedly plans to use active cooling technology derived from its Inspire drones. If true, this could finally solve overheating issues that plague competitors when shooting 8K or high frame rate 4K for extended periods. Autofocus may be where DJI truly separates itself. Leaks suggest native LiDAR autofocus integration, similar to what we've already seen on Ronin systems. This could allow precise focusing in extremely low light conditions where phase detection systems struggle. Pair that with Hasselblad natural color solution, the same color science found in premium medium format cameras, and the image output could feel cinematic, natural, and rich straight out of camera. The user interface is expected to follow DJI's Fly app philosophy: clean, fast, and intuitive. Compared to the cluttered, deeply nested menus of legacy brands, this could dramatically improve usability, especially for new creators. Pricing rumors place the camera between $2,800 and $3,200, undercutting flagship competitors while potentially offering features like internal ProRes RAW, advanced stabilization, and even electronic variable ND filters, features usually reserved for cinema cameras costing far more. What truly sets this camera apart is ecosystem integration. Seamless DJI mic pairing, drone controller monitoring, cloud uploads via eSIM, AI-powered subject tracking, native vertical video metadata, and gimbal-like stabilization could turn this camera into a complete production hub. It's not just about shooting, it's about simplifying the entire workflow. If these leaks are even partially accurate, DJI isn't just entering the mirrorless market. They're challenging how cameras are built and used. This camera represents a shift from hardware-first thinking to a software-driven creative ecosystem, something traditional brands have struggled to fully embrace. DJI's strength has always been blending advanced technology with user-friendly design, and that philosophy could be exactly what the mirrorless world needs right now. Of course, breaking brand loyalty built over decades won't be easy. Sony, Canon, and Nikon still dominate professional trust. But DJI brings agility, innovation, and a deep understanding of modern creators. By unifying drones, audio, stabilization, and cameras into one seamless workflow, DJI isn't just selling a body, it's selling efficiency. Here on Technify, we'll be covering every leak, confirmation, and hands-on detail as this story unfolds. The future of photography may no longer belong to the familiar giants. If DJI delivers on even 80% of what's rumored, The industry is about to experience its biggest shakeup in years. Thanks for watching.